Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, La Riviera, local, and long-distance movers near me. Our staff of professional movers can ensure your long-distance move goes efficiently. When you need to move 100 miles away or even 1,000 miles away, we can assist. With the right moving services to assist you, any type of relocation, small or large, becomes so much easier. Using us provides you easy access to all the necessary moving services, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Choosing to work with a local California moving company might not seem like it's worth the price. A local moving company supplies many advantages which can make it well worth the expense. The time savings you get from using these services of a moving company could be among the best choices you've made. Movers can also ensure you don't have to deal with any of the heavy lifting. Our professional movers offer efficiency with each and every single move. When moving with a local company like 3 Movers, you get a structured process for the moving day. We can complete even the largest moves in only a couple of hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our La Riviera moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.